Hey guys, welcome back to the Delph Stack. This is how to put a word effect in Messenger. So guys, to do this process, first is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, you just simply select to one of your friend. Now, over here, you just simply go ahead and select the name of the person that you have chatted with, and you will have an option over here, word effects. So from here, as you can see, you can just simply provide a word or phrase over here. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and select smile, and now select the emoji icon and select the smile and select forward over here. And now from here, as you can see, I have created my effect. And from here, as you can see, we have the word effect smile. And when I tap on smile, as you can see, we will have the effect available. And pretty much this is a great feature that you could try. And now when you select a smile over here, you will have an option, a person on the right side of the screen as well, which you could create a custom sticker, or you could go ahead and provide multiple effects over here that you might want to consider with your phrase. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.